Hi besties, greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I want us to talk about one of the best body lotion that you can use to treat your skin. This is called one of the best treatment body lotion. This is a skin treatment body lotion. Guys, this body lotion is everything. It's so nice. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Okay, so guys, in today's video I want to make a review on how to use this particular product to treat your skin and achieve a radiant skin complexion. So guys, the name of this product is called Advanced Clinical Vitamin C Body Lotion. So guys, this body lotion, it has different types, but we'll be making use of the vitamin C of this body lotion. So guys, this body lotion is a very nice body lotion. This body lotion is a 470 ml body lotion. This body lotion is very good and is very big. So guys, this body lotion contains vitamin C as one of the main ingredients. It also contains vitamin E, it contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin E, and it contains antioxidant property in it. Okay, this body lotion is very good when it comes to treating the skin. If you have rashes all over your skin, you have discoloration, you have spots all over your skin, you have skin aging, your skin is aging, you have hyperpigmentations on your skin, this body lotion is very nice for you. Guys, I'm going to be very honest, this body lotion is not a lightening body lotion. This is a brightening body lotion. It does not whiten the skin, it brightens and treats the skin. It is very good when it comes to hydrating the skin because it hydrates the skin really well. Okay, one thing I also love about this body lotion is the fact that it also nourishes the skin. This body lotion is also a moisturizer, and it's very important and necessary for you to include a moisturizer in your skincare product. If you haven't started using a moisturizer, you are missing out because you need to start using a moisturizer. Guys, this body lotion is very good when it comes to smoothing and softens the skin. It smooths and softens the skin really well. And another thing I love about this body lotion? I love the fact that it contains antioxidant property that will help the other antioxidants properties in this body lotion to function very well. It is very good when it comes to helping them to solve skin aging. Yeah, this body lotion will help to improve skin damage. If you have a damaged skin and you want to repair your skin, you want to rejuvenate, you want to heal and treat your skin, you want your skin to look uniformed, and you want your skin to look radiant and glow, this body lotion will help to prove that. It will help you to achieve that. Okay, it is very good when it comes to helping to get rid of skin issues. It is a skin treatment cream, and it is also a foreign cream. This body lotion is manufactured in USA. It is a foreign cream, and guys, let me be very honest, if you start using this body lotion, you're not going to see the result of this body lotion immediately. No, you're not going to see the effectiveness. It takes time for it to work. You have to use this body lotion 3 to 1 month, 3 to 4 weeks, okay, for you to see the effectiveness of this body lotion. If you use this body lotion for a long period of time, this body lotion is going to lighten up your skin and give you that light glow. But if you don't use it for a long period of time, it is just going to brighten up your skin. Okay, it is not a bleaching product. It is not a bleaching. This is a very good brightening body lotion. So if you want to achieve this radiant, glowing, brightening, good tone, you want this even tone, light complexions, and you want it in a healthy way, this body lotion is for you. Just that this body lotion is expensive. Okay, it's expensive. It is very nice. It contains a lot of things. It also contains collagen, and collagen is a lightening property. It is very good when it comes to lighting up your skin. When it comes to giving this light complexion, collagen is very good for that. Okay, so this body lotion also contains it. This body lotion also contains green tea in it. Guys, you've heard a lot about green tea, right? Green tea is very good when it comes to treating skin issues like acne. If you have a body acne, this body lotion is very nice for you. If you have rashes all over your skin, you have skin issues like skin issues that have to do with boys, this body lotion is also very good for you because it contains green tea, and green tea is very good when it comes to taking care of anything that have to do with boys on the skin. Okay, so this body lotion is very nice. It contains aloe vera in it, contains vitamin E, it contains vitamin C, it contains a lot of vitamins. And guys, this body lotion is dermatologist tested. Okay, do you know if you are suffering from wrinkles, if you're suffering from skin aging, you are aging fast, you have spots all over your skin, you have dark spot all over your skin, this body lotion is very nice for you guys. Get this. Just that this body lotion is expensive, but if you have the money, get it. This is one of good I must have body treatment cream. It will really help you to improve your skin brightness, you know, the softness of your skin. If you want this soft skin, this body lotion will really help you to achieve that. Guys, this body lotion is a face, neck and body lotion. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your neck. Some persons will be like, should I get a separate face cream for my face? Unless you want, but this body lotion is also a face and body lotion. You can use it on your face, you are not going to have any skin issues. Okay, it is a very good body lotion. So guys, if you want this body lotion to work very effectively for you, if you want to use it and achieve a very radiant, beautiful glow, all you need to do is, before you start using this body lotion, please get a scrub. You need to exfoliate your skin. Get a body scrub and scrub your skin. You know, exfoliate your skin before you start using it. Can I use this body lotion every day? The truth is yes, you can use it every day. If you don't want to use it every day, it's also fine, because I've seen some persons and they're like, I don't use it every day. This is a treatment body cream. I just use it 3-4 times in a week. You can use it every day. If you don't want to use it every day, it's also fine. Okay, and you can use it on your face. Okay, and if you don't want to use it on your face, it is also fine. Okay, can I use this body cream on little children? No, you cannot use it on little children. So guys, this body lotion is very nice, just that it is very expensive. That is my only issue with it. Okay, this body lotion, the last time I checked, it was 22,000. Yeah, the last time I checked it was 22,000. So for now, I don't know, but if you have the money, you can get it. You will not regret getting it, and it's very big. That's one thing I love about it. So you can use it for a while. It is going to last you for a while. So guys, if you have any question regards to skincare, or there is any product you want me to make review on, or you want to grow your YouTube, you have any question regards to that, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Okay, so guys, if you have used this body lotion before, please can you drop your experience in the comment section and let us know. If you have any question you want to ask regards to skincare, leave it. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't joined the family, and please make sure you also give me a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Bye guys.